Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding why Python built-in type names are not reserved keywords. Introduction. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, and one interesting aspect of the language is that built-in type names, such as int, str, list, and others, are not reserved keywords. Unlike some other programming languages, Python allows you to use these names as variable names without causing conflicts. In this tutorial, we will explore why Python has chosen this design and how it impacts your code. Dynamic typing in Python. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means that the type of a variable is determined at runtime. This dynamic nature allows for flexibility and ease of use, as variables can change their types during the execution of a program. The absence of reserved keywords for built-in types aligns with Python's dynamic typing philosophy. Enhanced readability. By not reserving the names of built-in types as keywords, Python promotes code readability. It allows developers to choose variable names that are meaningful in the context of their code. For example, if you are working with an integer variable, you can name it count or total instead of being forced to use a name like int. Avoiding overhead. Reserved keywords introduce restrictions on variable names and increase the chances of naming conflicts. By not reserving the names of built-in types, Python avoids unnecessary restrictions on developers. This freedom to choose variable names based on the problem domain reduces cognitive overhead and enhances the developer experience. Code examples. Let's look at a few code examples to illustrate the freedom of using built-in type names as variable names. In this example, we use int as a variable name without any issues. Here, we use list as a variable name to represent a list without encountering any problems. Best practices. While Python allows using built-in type names as variable names, it is essential to follow best practices for naming variables. Choose names that are descriptive and convey the purpose of the variable. This helps make your code more readable and maintainable. Conclusion. Python's decision not to reserve the names of built-in types as keywords aligns with its dynamic and readable nature. This design choice empowers developers to write clean and expressive code, promoting a positive coding experience. By understanding this aspect of Python, you can make informed decisions when naming variables and contribute to the overall readability of your code. ChatGPT.